Hi, I want to demonstrate how to use the VFMC to practice DR triggers. What you can do is kind of skip the EO phase, so you can start with a scramble and just let the solver generate solutions for you. So I can do each axis, EO-FB, EO-RL. I can just generate however many I want. So here I've generated 5 EOs on each axis, and I can just practice those to see how good I am at identifying the DRs and the DRs setups that are worth spending time on. So I can double click on one of these and I can say, I can, first of all, I can just decide to just check the both axes, done, DORL, no, well, 7, if you decide you want 7C8E, then I would save this one. And now I can check the things that I would check to decide whether to do that again. Like, for example, the axial reduction minus. So this is AR minus 3 corners. So that would be a no. So in DR, but I can also check the inverse. So on the inverse, I can see, this is axial reduction minus 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. So that's also a no. So new in version 1.3, I can just hit delete and clean that up. So that's the procedure. I can, of course, check for with some setup moves. So I can add RL, F2, RL, check the other axis. U. So there's one. And when I hit one like this, I would save it, but then I go back and try the other possibilities to make sure that I didn't miss any. In this case, didn't. And now I can check my 4C4E. I might want to check, so the axial reduction, I showed how to do that. You just use this to hide the other pieces, look at it. I can check pairs. So here I have 2 pairs on the normal scramble. On the inverse scramble, how many would I have? Well, here's a red green, so that's a pair on the scramble. That's going to be 1 pair on scramble. And maybe I want to predict the corner positions too. But whatever, if you want to verify that your NIST prediction, that you're not making many mistakes there, you can just type NIST here, and yep, there's my 1 pair, and that's a bad pair. So yeah, so even if you decide, okay, here's a case where I wouldn't NIST, you can just quickly NIST to see if you in fact made the right choice or not. And if you decide to abandon something altogether, like it's not worth switching, you can also just type solve just to see whether you made a mistake in skipping that one. So here the shortest DR was 8 moves, so I don't feel bad about skipping this one. And then I can hit delete to clean them up, start checking the other axis, FB, right, L2 FB. So that's how that works. Hope you find it useful.